Good morning, children. Today's date is 12th of July and the year is 2021. Today's day is Monday. And in our phonics class, we are going to learn a new sound. So today we'll be learning sound of letter D. Children, you can see here two letters. Yes? So now, the name of both the letter is the same. Even the sound is the same. Just the way we make it is different. So this one is the capital D, the big D. And this one is the lowercase letter d. Yeah? The small d. Now coming to the sound, which is the most important one. The name of this letter is D. And the sound of this letter is D. Just like when you play the drum. Yes? D. D, D, D. Yes? So that's the sound of this letter. Okay? So you focus on the sound. The name of the letter is D. But we are only focusing on the sound. The sound of both these letters is D. Okay, just like you knock on the door and you make the sound D, D, D. Okay, now let's see some pictures. So now coming to these pictures. All these pictures here begin with the sound D. And I know you can recognize most of them. Okay, so who is this? Which animal is this? This is the D, D, dog. Yes, the beginning sound is D. The word dog, dog. This is a duck. D, D, duck. This is a doll. D, D, doll. Again, this is an animal. The donkey. D, D, donkey. This is a beautiful pink dress. D, D, dress. And this is a musical instrument that you play. It's called the drum. D, D, drum. Yes, so I'm just saying it D, D just to specify the sound. Yes, so the name of the letter again is D. Yes, that's the name of the letter. The letter is D. And what is the sound? The sound of this letter is D. D. Read a short story, yes, wherein you will notice many words that begin with the sound D. Okay, let's read it. Dan and the dog. Now the words Dan and dog begin with the sound D. Dan did not like dogs. Dogs were a danger. Dogs can scare you in the dark. Okay, so now let's find the words that begin with the sound D, just in these three lines. D, Dan. D, dogs. D, danger. D, dark. Dan's dad got a dog. Now here the words Dan, dad and dog again begin with the sound D. Now Dan does like dogs. Dan plays with his dog all day. Dan's dog likes to dress up. Dan's dog drinks from his dish. Dan's dog digs in the dirt. Yes, now let us hunt for words that begin with the sound D in this last 5 lines. Okay, Dan, dogs, yes, day, dress, dress, drinks, dish, digs, dirt. Yes, so there were so many words that began with the sound D. Okay. Children, today we learned a new sound. Yes, the sound for letter D is, can we all say it together? What's the sound of letter D? D. D. Happy learning, children. Bye.